Welcome back to Partickhill Station. I'm Charlie and today I'm reporting for you from Messina Central Station, which is in a great location. It's 7-minute walk from the ship, and in that direction you'll find all the ferries, and in that direction are the maintenance yards. So I'm hoping to find a variety of stuff here today. So let's go in and see what's running today. Anyway, behind me, as you can see, is what appears to be a maintenance yard with lots of equipment. Anyway, I'm going to head down to the main station and we'll see you there. As you can see, there's a number of destinations you can go to. Last time I was here, we went to Messina, down the coast by about an hour and a half.
어디 생각하면
unfortunately, you can't get away from the tagging of trains, and you know, this is a perfect example, and it's good reference if you want to do that. pantograph has been disconnected down at the front end. Well, quite a variety of locomotives here. Timing is perfect. It's a very busy afternoon. Couldn't have gotten luckier. Here you go. That'll be the TMD over there, I would imagine. There's a triple header. Lots of activity, this being the terminal station. I guess this is long distance. Some older coaches. And there's another one leaving exactly on time. It's going to Partickhill. Didn't quite get that name, but once again it's a commuter type train. Nice paint job. Well, it's a fairly large station. Over there is the maintenance storage area and more storage over on that side. And this train here is departing shortly. Well, we're at the train station, and also the trams, streetcars and the buses, and also over there is where you get the ferries. So it's centrally located. Let's go in and have a look. Well, I hope you enjoyed the visit to the Messina train station. Like such a busy place, and terrific variety of locomotives and rolling stock. So I'll bid you farewell, and we'll catch you at the next train station that I find on my travels, and hope to see you again on Partickhill station. I'm Charlie. Bye for now.